Every graph tells a story about how two different quantities interact and change together over time. By reading the shape of a function, noticing when it rises, falls, or flattens out, we understand how those quantities behave without calculating exact numbers. This graph starts at an output of 2, continuously going up. Rising left to right means output increases as input increases. Since steepness is identical at every point, the rate of change is constant. The output starts at 2 and increases at a constant rate. Sometimes the steepness of a graph changes. This curve shows a different kind of relationship. The graph begins high and falls quickly, meaning the output is decreasing. As the graph moves to the right, it becomes flatter. The rate of decrease is slowing down. The curve levels off, but the output is still going down. It is just dropping less quickly. The complete story of this curve is that the output decreases as the input increases, and that decrease slows over time. Some functions change their behavior across different intervals. Here, we see a completely flat line from an input of 0 up to 3. Take a look at that horizontal section. What does it mean for the quantities if the graph isn't moving up or down? A flat graph means the output is not changing over that interval. It is staying constant. After x equals 3, the graph begins to angle upward, which means the output is now increasing. We describe these intervals in the order they happen. The output stays constant at first, and then increases after x equals 3. Describing a functional relationship means following the whole shape across intervals, rather than just listing individual points. We have seen an output that increases at a constant rate, one that decreases at a slowing rate, and one that shifts from constant to increasing. When you describe how a function changes, identify the behavior of each section in the order it appears from left to right. Trace the story of this undulating trail. By looking at the shape, where is this function increasing, decreasing, or constant?